Hi, in this video we will tell you how you can manage your account on our Premium ERP. For that, you need to click on Office Accounting section. You can see there are a lot of tabs over here. You can create your account, but then before creating an account, what you need to do is you need to create a voucher head. First, select your department, select your school, give any name for any voucher. Let's say I'm keeping it for the expenses. Save it. Similarly, create one for your income. You can see there are two voucher heads has been created, on expense and one for income. Now straight go on this account section. You can create a new account, select your branch. You can give the account name as if, let's say, DPS1 account. You can mention any account number. I'm just putting up a dummy account number. You need to mention the expenses, or you can say the balances that you wanted to open for a particular month. So let's say for a month we are having a budget of 30,000. Save it. It's taking a bit time, but yeah, it will be done. Now you can see one account has been created. Now you need to click on this deposit. So let's say if you are getting any kind of amount from outside, you can mark it over here, select your school, select the account that you have created just now, select the voucher head. You can mention the reference. So let's say you have received this particular amount from any organization for your annual day celebration. You can mention it anything. You need to put the amount over here. Let's say you have received 10,000 rupees. You need to mention the date, select how you have received this amount. So let's say bank transfer. You can put any description like funding for school annual. If you are having any receipt, you can attach it over here, or you can save it directly. So now you can see this account, this particular amount has been added in new deposit. Now let's say if you are making any expenses, you need to add on expense. Select the branch, account number, account name that you have given, voucher head that you have given XYZ. You can make any reference like annual need. Now let's say we are investing 10,000 that we have received. Date. So let's say I'm selecting it today only, and we are spending this amount via cash, let's say. can attach your receipt here, or and you can save it. Now you can see this expense has been also marked. Now in all transactions, you'll be able to see that what all expenses or what all deposits you are making, right? And you can see, like, once we have added some 10,000 amount, it got 40,000, and then once we did the expenses, now the account is 30K again. So I hope you understood the point. You can track all your expenses, all your transactions of your school using this particular module. Hopefully you have liked this video. If so, then please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.